Assalamualaikum everyone. A very warm welcome to my channel. This is simply me. I hope everyone is good and doing good with their lives. Today I have bring you the most common but the most wanted video, which is skincare for beginners. And I will tell you guys which products I use that has literally worked on my skin and literally heals my skin. Let's get into the video. As you can see, I have only 3 products from my skin. Number one step is wash your face properly with the soap or face wash you're using, and then second point is use the moisturizer. Yes, moisturizer is very important. It is the essential for the beginners and everyone who is taking care of their skin. Moisturizer is very important. It heals your skin, it hydrates your skin, and it builds your skin. So use the moisturizer. Daily life is important. If you are a beginner and you decided to take care of your skin from today, then cleanse your face with face wash or cleanser or the soap, and then apply the moisturizer on your skin. One more thing I used on my skin whenever I feel like more dry on my skin, so I use this triple peptide lipid barrier. It actually keeps my skin very soft and very hydrated for a long time, so sometimes I use this. Number third step is the serum. Yeah, these days serum is on trending. Everyone is very curious that which serum should we use. Number one is you have to analyze your skin and use the serum which heals your skin. Simple as that. Don't go for the salicylic, don't go for hyaluronic acid or buffet. Don't do this. Don't ruin your skin. You have to heal your skin, don't ruin it. So if you wish, you can go for a dermatologist or you can research on internet and just get that serum and start from today. The serum I am using is Buffet from Ordinary. It works on my skin and literally heals my skin because I have orange type of skin, so it's gradually healing my skin and my new cells are developing. The fourth step is to hydrate your lips, and the only way to hydrate your lips is the Vaseline lip balm. I'm using Vaseline lip therapy, which is amazing, and it's a jelly like substance and excellent choice as it forms a protective layer on the lips and penetrates deep down to rehydrate the skin and speed up its natural renewal process. I don't put so much lipstick because I feel like lipstick literally changing my lip color. So I continue to hydrate my lips with Vaseline and apply lip balm to prevent my lips from drying out again and again. Last but not least, don't forget to hydrate your eyes. Use eye drops because everyone has so much screen time. Everyone is scrolling and using laptop and mobile. So your eyes affect a lot and it get dry. We don't know about it, we didn't realize at the time, but later it becomes very harmful. The moisture of our eyes gets vanished day by day, so you have to take care about it and hydrate your eyes as well. This is the last point, but I think this is the number one point. Make sure you have to be very consistent about your skincare. I guarantee you it will give you results. Yeah, everyone is complaining about their skincare, that my skin is not healing and it's not working. Why it will be? Until you show consistency, anything and everything works. It will give you results. When you start showing consistency, it will definitely give you results and you will feel like, yeah, I have done it, I have do it. I hope you get some points. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Till then, Allah Hafiz.